Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I already have a video filmed, but due to the fact I'm going to go live this Sunday, so I wanted to make this video for today's video, and then the kebab munch box will be for Tuesday. But yes, we are going live on Sunday. We're having fish and chips, so please join me for that. Today I'm having chicken from a new place I've never had it before. The company is called Chicken Fried. It is in Ipswich, so I'm going to be trying it, see what I think of it, and hopefully it's good because it's quite pricey. So my niece's nephews, or my niece had a school fair thing, and she did tombola and she won. So we have these rum, so I'm going to be having these. Unfortunately she couldn't change it to something for her. She also won 2 bottles of wine as well, which is crazy. The fact that no one in our family really drinks. I don't drink unless I'm doing a live video for you guys, because a lot of you like to, you know, see me drinking for some reason. So I do get some drink for you guys, so I'm going to be having this. I have no idea what any of this tastes like. I've never heard of any of this before, so yes. Today we're drinking Tizer. I haven't had Tizer in a little while. I used to really like this drink a long while ago, then I had it recently. It weren't all that, but it was okay. So I've had this in my cupboard for a few months now, so I thought let me drink it and get it out of the way. What we're having today, we're having a chicken fillet burger meal. We're having a chicken shawarma, which is like a wrap. We're having a tube. I don't know, I think maybe they spelled it wrong. It's probably supposed to be tub of baked beans, onion rings, 4 pieces of chicken strips, 4 hot and spicy wings, and 4 pieces of fried chicken. So I'm waiting for that now. As soon as it gets here, I don't know why I'm so dark, but as soon as it gets here, I'll bring you guys back and we will get started. Right, here we are. The food is here. I did have to change the angle because the sun is literally shining through and I couldn't see nothing. Right, let's go over what we've got first. This is the shawarma wrap. The meat don't taste too bad, you know. We have some beans. Unfortunately, strange enough, for a chicken shop they don't do gravy. Chicken fillet burger with mayonnaise. That does look quite nice. We have 4 hot wings. We have 4 chicken strips. We have a portion of onion rings. Let's try an onion ring. We have 4 bits of chicken, and we have no chips. I don't know what happened to my chips. But I'm not gonna get upset and I'm I'm not going to get upset and moan about it now, I promise. It is something I will sort out later. Right, let me just have a chicken wing. They're nice. I do love those type of chicken wings. I don't like it when they're extra crispy. You know where you go to KFC and they are really, really crispy. I don't like that. Oh my god. My beans are cold. Why would they send cold beans? That's crazy. You know what, this is nice. I've got to say this is nice. I think this is a chicken leg. Right here. Yeah, the chicken's actually pretty nice. Right, let me try this chicken burger and see what this is like. It's on a brioche bun, as you can see. That's actually pretty nice. So, gutted about the beans. If I wanted cold beans, I would have just gone them out of the cupboard myself. But, yeah. Right, let's try this wrap. That's the shawarma wrap. It's nice. It's really nice. I'm not normally huge on chicken kebab because I tend to find it full of fat. I tend to find it full of skin. Let's try some beans on here. Some cold beans on my wrap. I can't believe they gave me everything I ordered except for the chips. Like, how can you miss chips? It's ridiculous. I waited over an hour for a delivery as well. That is nice. Just a heads up, it is confirmed I will be delayed going to London for a month. So I will be going to London in February instead of January. I did want to go in January, but I have to look after my mum's cats for a month. So I will be going to London in February instead. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably do a live stream for my birthday, whatever day that falls on, I don't know. And then a couple of days after that, probably by the 5th of February, I will make my way down to London and go and film in Camden Town Food Market and some other places down there as well. There is a Popeyes and a Wendy's in Romford, which I've never ordered from before. So I'm looking forward to trying those places. Yeah, this wrap is lovely. I haven't put it down since I've started. Also, these beans are not like a barbecue type style beans like KFC or anywhere else. They're just plain beans. Same ones you can get from the supermarket. So, yeah, not worth it at £2.50 for that. You know what I also like about this wrap is it's packed all the way down. It's not one of those places which overfills it with salad and it gives you a tiny little bit of meat. You know, this is jam-packed. Yeah, I like the flavour from the chicken. You know what, these onion rings are lovely, but I don't believe they're worth 50 pence per onion ring. I've got 10 of them, so that was like £5. It's difficult. Let's have another chicken wing. Oh. Oh. I've got 2 chicken legs in this out of the 4 chickens, so you know, wow. You're lucky if you get 1 in most places. Let's it's difficult sometimes with chicken because you don't know where the bone is. Is there any bone in there? I do like the flavour of the chicken. That's really nice. what I'll do is I'll save the chicken strips, that piece of chicken, and the beans. So I've got to admit that the food is decent, but will I go back? I don't know. It's a bit pricey, so I don't know. But if I was in town, I might stop off there, because even though it's expensive, it is Just Eat that is charging extra on each item. So those nuggets, even though those onion rings was £5, they might only charge £4 in the store, or even £3.50 in the store. Whereas on Just Eat, they bump up the prices. They do it with every restaurant. It's one of the things I don't really like about them. That's why I do like Food Hub. Food Hub, you're paying what the restaurant charges. You're not paying extra. You know, Food Hub are not bumping up the prices. I enjoyed that. I really did. For Sunday's live, I am, as long as it's not raining, I am going to collect it myself, and then be back here ready for 7 o'clock. So, yes, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you on Sunday.